This morning, we are going to take our time to discuss what customer relation service is all about and how they can be helpful to the IT industry. Introduction. In today's digital landscape, effective IT customer support or services is essential for organizational success. So, for any organization to succeed today, they must have an effective IT support services in place. So, this presentation will explore the dynamics of IT customer service relationship and strategies for fostering positive interaction. Understanding IT customer services. What is IT customer services? An IT service encompasses the support provided by IT professionals to end users or customers. And IT support, these supports can range from troubleshooting technical issues to providing guidance on software usage and configuration. So, which means an IT support work is not only limited to technical issues or resolving problems that users have, but also they try by all means to provide guidance how to use a specific softwares and configuration that the user needs to work with. What are the importance of an IT support? Effective IT customer services ensures the smooth functioning of technology within an organization. It directly impacts productivity, user satisfaction, and overall business performance of that specific organization. So these are two importance of IT support or IT customer services in an organization. So what are the roles of an IT support person in an organization? We are going to discuss three roles. The first one is communication. A clear and concise communication is vital for understanding customer needs and providing relevant solutions. As an IT support person, when communicating with the end users, our communications must be clear and concise so that this will help the customer understand what exactly we are trying to resolve and also help us as an IT person to know how to resolve the customer issues he's bringing on the table. The second is problem solving. IT professional must possess strong problem-solving skills to diagnose and resolve technical issues efficiently and on time. This will make the customer or the end user happy. And the third is the technical expertise. Deep knowledge of IT systems and applications enables IT professionals to deliver effective support and guidance to their end users. Now, how can IT support person build trust and rapport within a given organization? Now, let's look at the first one, establishing trust. First, building trust begins with transparency and honesty. As an IT support person, we have to be transparent and honest in everything we do when it comes to dealing with our end users. And IT professionals to communicate openly with customers, providing realistic expectations and updates on progress. This is so important. This will keep the end users on the loop and help the end users to understand at what point in time the problem he reported to the IT support person will be resolved. The second is active listening. Effective communications involves active listening to understand customer concerns fully. And this is also important in the aspect of an IT support person. It is essential for an IT support person to always validate their experiences and demonstrate empathy. This means that when an end user reports an issue to an IT support person, it is very important for this IT support person to first validate the experiences of this end user. Is it good with technology? Does he know how technology works? Or he knows nothing about technology? This will help the IT support person to demonstrate empathy when resolving the user's issues. Personalized support. Tailoring solutions to individual customer needs enhance satisfaction and demonstrate a commitment to customer-centric service delivery. So not all end users are the same. Not all customers are the same. When an IT support person personalizes support to a specific user based on the knowledge and understanding and expertise of that user on IT technologies, this will help the IT support person to tailor the solution to the needs of that user. The next is communication strategies. How can an IT support person communicate effectively? What are some of the communication strategies? we have a customer IT service relation. One is clear communication. Use language that is easily understandable by the customer, avoiding technical jargons whenever possible. So an IT support person will not use technical words that are very difficult for the end users to understand. Provide step-by-step instructions and explanation to guide users through troubleshooting process. And this is very important. Next is timely updates. Keep customers informed about the progress of their inquiries or reported issues, and communicate expected timelines for resolution and any update or changes along the way. You see, this approach will always make your end users happy. As an IT support relation person, communication is the key to the success of an IT support person. So always communicate timelines for resolution. At this specific point in time, I'm exactly working on this issue. And at this time, I'll be completed with the problem or the issues reported to us. And then you will make your end user happy. Multi-channel support. Over various channels for customer communication, an IT support person will offer various channels for customer communications, such as phone support, email, live chat, and self-service portal. So whichever support channel that is available for the end user, and in most cases, that is also convenient and comfortable for the end users, IT support persons are expected to use these channels to communicate services to their end user. Allow customers to choose channel that best suits their preferences and needs. As long as the organization and IT support person operates on allows that channel, it is best to use a specific channel that the users are comfortable with. You see, this will help the end user and the IT support person to open a rapport that will help them to resolve issues right on time. But how can an IT support person manage expectation for end users? Let's discuss some aspects in which an IT support person or customer IT relation can manage expectation for their end users. Setting expectations. As an IT support person or a customer IT relation officer, defining clear service level agreements outlining response time, resolution time, and escalation procedures are very important in setting expectation for our end users. Ensure that customers understand what to expect when they reach out for support. Will they be happy? Will they be sad? Will this IT support or customer relation person offer me the solution unexpected? This will make your end users happy when you help them to understand what to expect when they reach out for support. Now, realistic promises. This is another important aspect of a customer IT relations person. Avoid over-promising and under-delivery. Do not tell your end user your problem will be resolved within 24 hours. That is over-promising, and you end up resolving the end user's problem within 2 weeks. This is something an IT customer relation should avoid. Be honest about what you can realistically be achieved within the specific time frame. Let your end users know the problem you report is going to take me 2 weeks, 3 weeks to resolve the issues, or it's going to take me 1 day or 2 days to resolve your issue. Honesty is very important. Under promise, over deliver. This is super important. You can tell your end user, I will provide you support, and this support will take 2 weeks. Within the duration of 1 week, you solve the user's problem. This is under promise and you over deliver. Exceeding customer expectations by delivering solutions more quickly or effectively than promised can leave a lasting positive impression and foster trust. Problem resolution process. How can an IT customer relation handles the situation? One is acknowledgement. Promptly acknowledge receipt of customer inquiries or reported issues, and provide customers with a reference number or ticket to track the progress of their request. Now, how can an IT support person or customer IT relation person become effective in troubleshooting issues? One, systematically diagnose and troubleshoot reported issues involving relevant experts or resources as needed. Keep customers informed about the steps being taken to address their concern. These are two effective methods when it comes to troubleshooting issues for end users or for customer. Now, immediately you are done as an IT support person in troubleshooting the issues, always provide resolution. Provide timely and effective resolution to reported problems and confirm resolutions with the customer and follow up to ensure that they are satisfied with the outcome. Another thing that is also important for an IT support person, and that is continuous improvement. Now, how can an IT support person continue to improve his skills at what it does? One, feedback mechanism. Actively seek feedback from customers through surveys, interviews, or feedback forms. And as an IT support person, always analyze this feedback to identify trends, areas of improvement, and opportunities to enhance the customer experience. Analysis and adaptation. As an IT support person, always use feedback data to inform strategic decisions and initiatives aimed at improving IT customer services. Always try to implement changes and enhancements based on the insight gathered from customers' feedback. The third aspect is training and development, areas which an IT support person can improve their skills, continuous learning. Invest in ongoing training and development programs for IT staffs to enhance technical skills, communication abilities, and customer service competencies. And as a customer service person, continuous learning ensures that IT professionals are equipped to meet evolving customer needs actively or effectively. Now, these are some areas that an IT support customer relation person can improve his skills. Also, these are some of the skills that are needed by an IT support person, IT customer relation person, to make sure they are good at the work they do in order to support their end users more effectively and proactively.